И сәлем достар, сіздермен бірге мен Майк Миллер. Бүгінгі ойында біз Minecraft Story модтың екінші летсплейін жүретін боламыз, жалғастырамыз. Біз кеше осы жерден бітірген болатынбыз, кеттік сразу сұраққа.
Or anyone.
Мой конек.
Just
Талант.
do me a favor and suppress your inner talent, okay?
Джесси.
And
Опа.
Petra?
Петра.
Hey, you all know Petra, my new super close friend. We're super close now. We ran into each other while I was looking for Ruben.
Couldn't find him either, huh?
I'm sorry, Jesse. We look everywhere.
I saw him, but before I knew what was happening, we were under attack by a zombie horde. I told him to run. It was for his own good.
What were you doing in the woods, Petra?
Nothing. Just drawn by the sound of Jesse's high-pitched screams.
I would have been spider bait if she hadn't found me.
I gotta admit, I'm pretty bummed they won. Again.
I mean, there's no way we were gonna let you go after Ruben by yourself, but it's okay to be a little disappointed, right?
Страшно, правда.
Like, a lot disappointed.
The saddest of the sad sacks?
Ugh, losing is the worst.
Worster than the worst.
Уже не
So
бывает.
low, you could wipe the floor with
Хожу
me.
как
Enough. I'm calling a
хватит
moratorium on moping.
на
What does that even mean?
That nobody likes a
означает
sore loser. Hey,
лузер емес,
Jesse,
короче,
it's
просто
time to go see
айтқанда
about that thing.
Oh,
объект,
right, the
объект.
Subtle.
Кеттік тонко.
Yeah.
As a punch to the face. Axel and I were gonna head into Endercon anyway. See you in there?
I heard somebody saying there's free cake by the map booth.
Hurry. We're supposed to meet in the alley over there.
Dark, dark, very dark in here.
Темно,
It's weird.
қараңғы,
Said the
қатты
dark,
торға түседі.
creepy alley close to the gates, but
Бұл бір переулок екен.
maybe he's late.
Are you
Қарайық.
sure this is the dark, creepy alley he meant?
Которым говорил,
I was.
вернул.
Okay, new plan. You stay here, just in case this is the spot he meant, and I'll look around. I guess I could have heard him wrong. Then again, I've never gotten a meetup spot wrong before. But then why would he be
Как-то
late?
это
Something
неправильно.
about this feels off to me.
All of my secret deals feel off. That's why I usually keep them a secret. I'll be back before you know it. If he shows up while I'm gone, just stall for me.
Ох, мен өйстіп күтіп жүрсем. Сонда көріп қалдым. Опа, артына біреулер.
And just who are you? I'm waiting.
The name's Jesse.
Менің
What's
атым
it to
Джесси.
you?
I'm supposed to meet with Petra, not whatever you're supposed to be. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't walk out of here right now. Well,
You're the guy who needed a wither skull, right?
not so loud,
Верно.
you idiot. Too many people know my business already. Do you have the skull?
Well...
You do or you don't? You'd better not be toying with me.
Take a breath, would you? I'll show
Так
you the skull
быстро.
when I'm good and ready.
Я
Unacceptable.
Сирисик.
I'm not wasting any more time with you.
Ivor.
Not a moment too soon.
Опа.
Partner here almost soured the deal.
Ah, well, that's not good. I left my friend Jesse here while I went
Подругу
looking for you.
деген бір түскен енді.
I've got what you asked for.
If you have what you promised us...
You didn't say anything about an us when we
Друг.
first met,
Друг.
and I don't like surprises.
Говорил.
If these are the sorts of people you associate with,
Ух,
perhaps we
қорқынышты
should call
түріне.
the whole thing off.
My friend is fine, right, Jesse? There's no problem here. Let's not be too hasty, okay? This is just a little misunderstanding.
I'm cool if he's cool.
It's settled then. You're both cool.
Proceed then.
Опа.
I'll take that diamond now.
Take it. You've earned it.
This isn't a diamond.
No, it's lapis.
Опа,
All
қашып.
the dirty, underhanded tricks to pull. I can't believe that guy got one over on me.
Let's go after him.
Кеттік жетіп аламыз.
I'm either getting that diamond or I'm
Осындай
getting my skull back.
Or he'll make him pay, right? right?
адамдардың бәрі бөлінеді, короче, жетіп аламыз ка.
Do you see him
Сөз
anywhere?
айтқанда.
We lost him.
Then we'll just have to find him again. Go.
Тағы да біреуді іздейтін болдық та.
There he is! Gabriel! Gabriel!
Gabriel.
Step aside,
I have
please.
just one question.
Hold all your questions until after the keynote.
But the keynote sold out.
Hold all your
Ох,
questions anyway.
Gabriel жүр. Я. Сонда да
You guys
істен
think
кетпек,
Gabriel
сонда
fans
бірақ.
or something? Too bad it's sold out.
Бірақ Gabrielді көру арман еді бұның. Қасқан арман орындалмай жатыр.
Sup?
Sup?
Nothing? Sup with you?
Nothing. What's up with you?
I just said nothing.
Вот мұны не
Sorry you guys
дегенсің
didn't win this year. It might have turned out pretty cool. If it hadn't, you know, burned down or whatever.
You know, that stunt your friend pulled really
Мұны
hurt my
сөйлесу
pig.
керек.
Okay, maybe, but I had nothing to do with that.
He's still missing, you know.
Sorry. I hope you find him soon.
Hey, you didn't happen to see a creepy guy with long hair and a beard roaming around, did you?
I don't think so. Why?
He kind of scammed Petra out of a diamond earlier.
Oh, everyone knows you don't mess with Petra. Not if you know what's good for you. I'll keep an eye out,
Yeah.
okay?
Thanks, I appreciate it.
So, we're cool?
Cool.
Yeah, we're cool.
Cool. Cool.
Coolio.
Coolness.
Нормально қалай
Ah,
қылады.
see you later, Lucas.
Yeah, see ya.
Біз до конца іздейміз. Аксел көрген жоқ па екен, а?
Thought you could just wiggle right out of that trap, didn't you? Well, wiggle as much as you want. You're not going anywhere.
Axel, listen, any
Аша алмайсың дейді.
creepy looking beardy guy anywhere?
No, Petra told me what happened. I'm keeping an eye out for him.
Бұл да іздеп жатыр.
Okay, so I got a little distracted. It's just this machine presses all my buttons. Unnecessarily complicated and mean to birds for no reason. It's just, when something like this calls, you gotta answer. But I swear, as soon as the demonstration is over...
We really need your help, Axel. If we don't find this guy
Сен
soon, we might
көмегіңсіз
never
біз таба
find him.
алмаймыз дейді.
I was looking, I just got distracted.
Have you seen Ruben? I was hoping he might have made it to town while I was distracted.
Haven't seen hide nor hair. But I'm sure he's fine. He's a tough little ham.
Axel?
All right, I'll look. After I watch one more chicken get owned.
Ha, I see you now, weirdo.
Кәдімгі сөйлеп жатыр, ауыз жүр дейді.
Well, if it isn't Team Trash Bag.
That's
How's
no
your
way.
stupid pig? I hear intense heat causes brain damage. It does boost the flavor something crazy, though.
And I'm busy right now, man.
What, busy trying to get a life? I'm busy trying to
О,
find
мынау
some
бәрі
friends.
жолда.
Hey,
Схватить ұстап аламыз.
Hey, what do you think you're...
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Get away from me!
I said I was sorry. Ruben? Is that you?
Опа, Рубен да, ищет
Get your
жатыр деп
pork
мына дауыс
chops
шығады.
here. Fresh off the
Опа! Мясник ұстап алған, по идее.
Nothing sticks to your ribs quite like a juicy pork chop.
Ruben!
What's the big idea?
I'm
Trying to
thinking-
run a business here.
Бизнес дейді.
That's my pig!
Oh, really?
Я нашел
I
ее.
found him out in the woods, so I think that makes him my
Мен
pig.
оны тауып алдым, сол үшін
Not
менікі
the fattest
тапқан
pig I've
деп.
ever seen. Well, he should cook up real nice anyway.
Это мой друг
Please,
дейді.
he's my friend!
To me, he's inventory. I might be amenable to some kind of trade.
Опа.
Not that you look like you got much of value.
Нет, ничего.
I
цен.
gotta get some kind of return on my investment. Otherwise, it's straight to the slaughterhouse for this one.
Sonunda da
Give
alamamız.
me back my pig.
All right, you little maniac. Fine. Take him.
Маньячка малолетная.
Come on, Ruben. Sorry, Ruben. I never should have let you run off in the woods.
Бұл тек бітіріп бірдеме деп сөйлеп бітір.
Remember that thing I had to go do with Petra? Long story short, we met up with this guy, he cheated me and Petra on a deal, and now we're trying to track him down. You in?
Oh, I'm in, all right.
Я с вами.
Any sign of him?
I thought I saw him earlier, but it was just a false alarm. Wait, there he is!
О, они. Қашып
He's
жатыр.
heading towards the hall.
We're gonna have to get past that usher to follow him.
Let's go! So, yeah, hey.
What would it take to get us inside tonight?
Tickets?
Билеты. Хе-хе, күліп жатыр. Себебі барлық береді бітіп қалған.
That was a good one. You should laugh.
This might sound crazy, but we're actually on an important
Важно деп сұрайын.
I
Жоқ
hope
десе
your
ол
mission
жүк
came
кіріп
with
кетеді.
tickets to the show, because, I mean, otherwise... Chicken! 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 It's gone. You're totally fine. You were totally cool, dude.
We have to do something.
Like what? This show has been sold out for ages.
Could bust right through. I just need a little wind-up room.
Any other bright ideas?
We need a distraction.
Оны алаңдату керек.
A lot of chickens running around might be a distraction.
Shoot! Shoot! Get out of here!
Usher is afraid of chickens. What would you say if I told you I want to break this guy's chicken machine to create the mother of all
Курицалар
distractions?
шығарамыз.
But you have to break
Жақсы
that
идея
pane of
ол.
glass. How are you gonna reach it?
Let's look around. There has to be something we can do.
Опа, қазір.
I
Бәрі
need
өзің
to reach
қолымызда.
that window, but the fence is in the way. And I don't think I can mess up the fence if he's around.
Тырчит. Бәрін
Hey,
шығарамыз.
what are you doing?
Sorry, just your regular, everyday chicken enthusiast here.
Don't make me call security.
Опа, не секунд. Демонстрация. Слизь.
I bet I could reach that glass with a slime block.
Секрет сияқтымызға.
Oh, hey, we meet again. Hey. One slime block, please.
We don't give out slime blocks here, just slime balls. We've got a limited supply today, and we're only giving out 2 per
Два
customer.
штуки в одной
You
руке.
could craft your own slime block if you had 9 slime balls.
I'm really sorry about earlier. I honestly
Кисен
thought you were
сразу
someone else.
Apology accepted.
A round of slime balls for everyone, please.
Wait, this is only 8 slime
Opa.
balls. We need one more to make a block.
Okay, we need to find another way to get some more slime, and quick.
On it.
Секреміз. Түсінбедім, қақ қорымыз керек енді.
Hey, Lucas, can you do me a favor?
Anything's possible.
I need slime balls. I swear I have a really good explanation.
Whatever you guys are doing, count me in.
Thanks, Lucas. Told you he was useful.
Oh man, this guy isn't actually cool, is he?
Remains to be seen.
Видно,
It's
кет.
crafting time.
Курик.
So you guys been building
Inventar
together
da.
long? You've got good chemistry.
Are you jealous?
I'm just saying, I think it's cool you have a team that works so well together.
You're totally jealous. How's it going, Jesse? You know how to do this. A slime in every slot, and every slot, a slime.
Опа. Просто слез қалды. Опа, шығардық.
Ta-da! One slime
Жарайды, қарай
block.
кеттік.
Gross.
I'll take that. Right
Секіремізге.
there.
Кім секіреді
It's
екен?
all you, Jesse.
Give me a boost.
Анан не үшін жасадық? Опа. Через надан ананы секірейін деп тұр ғой. Мынандай атмарды көрсең. What the hell?
My poultry! My precious poultry!
Your eyes closed, they will peck at your eye. Ah! Oh!
Now's our chance.
Это наш шанс. Кіріп кету керек.
Hey!
Ох. Кіріп кетіп көрсетіп айтқан оны отвлекать етіп. Yeah.
Where'd he go?
There! Through that door.
Yeah, sıra бәрін біле қояды.
What do we do once we catch him? There are a million ways to play this. But considering this isn't my fight,
Что
I'll follow your
положено?
lead.
Whatever we have to.
You're way more intense than I gave you credit for, Jesse.
You ready?
Ready.
На шушқада қалмай жүр әйтеуір.
See anything?
He must have gone out another way. What is all this?
Looks like it used to be the basement. Weird place to have a hideout.
Укрытие
I bet
ажық
you
несі.
anything I'll find my wither skull here.
And if we find anything else cool to steal along the way, so be it, right?
Axel, that's not what we're here to do.
I did say we should do whatever we have to.
And if this guy's not around, what we have to do is steal.
I don't want to stoop to his level.
But isn't that the best way to get back at him?
Ivor could come back any minute. There's no time for looting.
There's always time for looting, Jesse.
Джесси
Always.
всегда.
The faster we find what we're looking for, the faster we can get the heck out of here.
Қарайық. Оны тауып алу керек. Склен.
Mostly stuff about brewing.
Жақын жерлерде болған сияқты ол. Сеу.
Oh, hello.
Мәс.
Too heavy. And too soft.
Имек.
But super flashy.
Yeah, I don't think this guy does much fighting. Hey, you still have that one stone sword, right?
Yeah, I had to wave it at this jerkwad butcher earlier, you know, to save Ruben's
Мясником.
life.
Impressive.
You're keeping it? But I thought it was too soft, too heavy.
It still might come in handy. And it is super flashy.
Қарайық. Іздейік. База слубын беру керек бәріне.
Find anything?
I want to steal that and that. I just want to touch that.
Ooh, take a look at this.
You're not going to believe me, but I swear I had a dream about this.
Түсінбей
Okay,
көрінбейтін.
Potion. I know this is a big step, but
Бере
It's
қойық,
yours
иә.
if you want it that bad.
Түсіне
I
көрсең.
never wanted anything badder.
No way he won't notice his fancy potion is missing.
A good thief always covers his tracks. Fixed it.
Oh yeah, the perfect crime.
Ох, есігі жылды.
What the hell is all this stuff?
Soul sand. It was everywhere in the nether.
What about that block in the middle?
I've never seen one of these
Guys.
before. I wonder if I just take a closer look. Do you feel that? It's almost pulsing.
How is it glowing like that?
I don't like the look of this. Something about it just feels
Это не
wrong.
так.
Don't forget what we're here for. Find that skull.
Сундукта не бар екен?
So, Good news, weird news.
Екі
I found the skull, but
The hell? Why'd I risk my neck for that skull if he's got 2 of them already? He was in such a hurry to get it, too. There's gotta be something bigger going on here. Something we just don't see.
this has gotta be
Smell it.
connected somehow. The chest with the skulls was hidden back here with everything else. It's gotta mean something.
But what?
I think I know what's going on here. Soul sand plus 3 wither skulls. That's the
Иссушители.
recipe for a wither.
But
Дан
a
создатель
wither.
иссушителя.
That's
One of the worst monsters there is.
We came down here to find the skull. Well, we found it.
maybe we should just grab it and get out of here while we still can.
Опа, келді.
Guys,
Scatter!
Don't you recognize me? Oh, wait. Surprised to see me? No, that's not good. Thought you were rid of me, didn't you? That's...
Сундуктың ішінде жатыр. Дан. Бәрі тығылып үлгерді. Да, ну, наш скрытый свинья.
What was that? Who's there?
Кто здесь?
Olivia, look out!
What are you doing here? What did you see?
Leave him alone.
Yeah, back off, pal.
You two.
Увы.
Did you follow me here?
You thought you could just screw us over and get away with it, didn't you?
We're here to prove you wrong.
What are you going to do about it? I have what I want, and you have exactly what you earned. Now get out before I put you out.
We know what you're doing down here. Soul sand and 3 wither skulls? You're building a wither!
Smarter than you look.
Hey, nobody talks to my friends like that. Now shut your mouth, or else.
Опа.
Enough! You've wasted too much of my time already.
Басқа ол бір адамға әлі жете алмай жүр.
Where'd he go?
If you won't leave of your own volition, I'll happily remove you myself.
Опа.
Show our friends the door, will you?
Опа, басым бұқып қалдым. Жаман қашады. Иә, ақыр ұстай алмай қалдық. Иә.
This is so exciting. It sure is. And now, for the first time ever,
Икона мы
here at
гордостью
АЙДОЛ,
объявляем.
we are very proud to present
The one, the only.
Gabriel.
О, ақыры арманына жетті Габриэл Дугурт. Воин истинный легенда, бір сөзбен айтқанда, иә, бұл біздің плеер үшін өте қуанышты жайт.
Are you with me?
Everybody okay?
Guys? Where's Lucas?
I thought he was right behind me.
Well, if he's not here, the only place he could be is...
He's still down there.
Ivor's got an iron golem and all the ingredients to build a wither down there. If he were to unleash it in this crowd of people, we have to act fast.
It just so happens that the greatest warrior of all time is in the building. We should ask Gabriel for help. This is the smartest way to help Lucas.
He's tough. I just hope he's tough enough to hold out a little bit longer.
We need Gabriel to get Lucas back and to deal with everything else we saw down there.
We're doing the right thing, Jesse. I just hope Lucas can hold out against that golem long enough for us to get help.
Come on, then.
Let's crash this party.
With the right training and guidance, anyone, and I mean anyone, can become a hero. You just have to believe it.
Просто верить.
I want you to know that I'm looking
push through this crowd to get to Gabriel.
Порядок.
Well, with Elgard and the dragon, like, what was her favorite food?
Bread. Next question.
Come on.
Yes, next.
Дальше.
What question do you have for the mighty Gabriel? Well?
Our friend Lucas is in trouble.
Is that so? Well, as you all know, trouble is what I do best.
I'm not messing around. My friend is trapped with an iron golem.
That does sound serious.
I have a question for you.
Excuse me, sir, you'll have to wait your turn.
Just tell me first. Do you really believe anyone can be great?
With enough hard work, yes.
Was that where I went wrong? I simply didn't work hard enough?
Ivor? Is that really you? How dare you interrupt like this?
Wait, this guy is a friend of yours?
He's no friend of mine.
Finally, a little bit of truth.
Немножко правды.
Why don't you tell them the real
I'll
story,
say.
Gabriel?
I see time
Я же
is
время
making
тебя.
bitter.
And it's made you an even bigger fool. Now these people were promised greatness, and I'm ready to deliver. I'm sorry this is how they had to learn the truth.
Gabriel, you have to stop him.
Nothing built can last forever.
Опа.
Ivor, no!
Енді Гебриэлдің өзінің күші
Creature,
жетпейтін секілді.
attack!
Опа, молодец. Гебриэл құтқарды. Барлық заттар өзіне тартып алып, соң қорытатын көрінеді.
Everyone stay calm. This foul beast is no match for me.
Creature, attack!
Хуя деймін. Хуйня дейсің.
What have you done?
Gabriel!
No, stay away! It's after me, not you.
Дана.
Look at him! The mighty Gabriel! Looks like true greatness is out of his reach. He may not
Жүгір
be able to
артынан
defeat this
адамдар.
creature, but I can! Creature! Retreat! Creature! Retreat!
Монстр тыңдамай тұр өзі.
Retreat, I said! Retreat! No need to be alarmed, my friend. I have an elixir that will destroy this creature.
That potion, is that?
What?
Impossible.
Тоқтата
It
алмады.
worked. I took such care.
The potion. Axel, you've got to throw the real potion.
But finders keepers.
You thieves, you're ruining everything.
Axel,
Alright.
come on. Jesse, throw it.
Лақтыру керек. Дух.
It's
Дәл.
protecting itself. Without the command block exposed, the potion is useless. It wasn't supposed to happen like this.
Ivor!
Это Кайвер вернись, трус, қашып кетті. Бәрі Гебриэлге.
Help me!
Опа, Джесси көмектесу керек оған. Тарт.
Thank you. Ivor was right about one thing. I can't defeat that thing. Not on my own. Everyone's running
Ох,
away.
үлкен болып батыр.
Except for you. Will you help me? I must get to the temple. But what needs to happen next?
Конечно, бізге ол
I can't do alone.
честь бір сөзбен айтқанда саған көмектесу
Follow me.
за мной. Иә достар, менде бұл кино ұқсатып бір жарты сериясынан тоқтатып тастайын. Себебі қызық жерлеріне келгенде бәрі сериалдар тоқтатып тастайды. Иә. Достар, осы бөліміне 100 лайк жиналғаннан кейін келесі бөлім түсіретін боламын. Каналға ең алғаш рет келсең тіркел. Сау болыңыздар достар, сіздермен бірге болған мен, Майк Миллер. Достарыңа айтыңдар. Сау болыңыздар.